Campaigns are a great way to organize and group your communications inside broadcasts to help you better measure, better communicate, and better understand the way that communications work inside your organization. Communications is really stressful. It's really chaotic sometimes. Campaigns really provide you a moment to think strategically about the why behind every communication that you have inside of broadcast. Why are you communicating to people about this initiative now? Who are you communicating for? What are your goals as a communicator? Campaigns really support you in understanding everything that's going on, making sure that you're making great strategic decisions and that you're constantly improving in the way that makes sense for you as a communicator and growing, and for the business. So when you create communications inside broadcast and you apply campaigns, you have a couple of different levels that you can really look at. You can look at the time. How do your communications compare from this quarter to last quarter to maybe quarters in the future or quarters way far into the past? You can additionally look at what type of messaging you're using. You can look at campaigns based on your personal comms goals. You can also look at campaigns by initiative or by business unit. And all of those really travel through to measurement. You're able to slice and dice that data by any of those campaigns. And additionally, within broadcast, you're able to share custom reports with anyone inside the organization. If they're curious about a certain campaign or a certain blast, you can absolutely send those reports to them, and they have a private dashboard that they can access anytime to really see how your communications make a difference inside the business.